Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Runway AI not working in 2026. So if Runway AI isn't loading, generating content, or responding properly, here are some common solutions you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Runway AI from loading projects or processing requests correctly. Next, refresh the page and try again. Yeah, temporary platform glitches can sometimes cause tools to stop working even when nothing is wrong with your account. Another useful step is trying a different browser or device. If Runway works correctly elsewhere, the issue may be related to your current setup rather than the platform itself. If content generation is failing, review your prompt or project settings and make sure everything has been entered correctly before starting the process again. You can also check whether Runway AI is experiencing maintenance, service interruptions, or unusually high traffic. During busy periods, some features may respond more slowly than normal. Finally, create a new project or run a simple test generation to confirm that the platform is working properly after applying these fixes. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Runway AI not working in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.